Hello everyone, my name is Amma Barnawi. Today I'm going to present about camel racing and I hope you guys enjoyed this presentation. So what is camel racing? Camel racing is a popular sport in many Arab countries including Oman, Qatar, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Pakistan and the United Arab Emirates. Camel racing is a major tourist attraction since many of these tourists attend the event for betting purposes. Camels are impressively fast, reaching speeds of 65 km per hour. Origin of camel racing. Camel racing began in the 7th century at the Arabian Peninsula. The locals participated camel racing during festivals and social gatherings. This informal competition gained popularity in Arab among other nearby regions until the late of the 20th century when 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 the sport was formalized. Interested parties established organizations to control o- overseen camel racing event and devise rules and regulations. Basic concept of camel racing and main rules. Different countries have different rules governing camel racing. Before camel races, owners and trainers collect their camels to determine racing distance. Camels began racing as early as 2 years of age and can go up to 9 years. Rules: male and female are raced separately. Urine samples are gathered for testing to check for prohibited substance. Camels are implanted with a coded microchip in their neck for identification. National and international governing bodies of camel racing. Camel Racing World Federation is responsible for management of camel racing worldwide. Saudi Camel Racing Federation. Saudi Camel Racing Federation governs the sport in Saudi Arabia, while the Camel Racing Federation governs UAE. The United States currently lacks national bodies governing camel racing. Countries where camel racing is popular: Qatar, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Australia, Pakistan, Egypt, Bahrain, Mongolia, and Sudan. In Nevada City, race in Nevada City, camel race hosts up to 10,000 people, attracting about 50 camel races per race. Camel racing is more popular in Arab countries with 50,000 people watching up to 50 camel per race. In Australia, over 50,000 people turn up to watch the popular sport. Camel of between 2-3 years and 8-9 years are considered ideal for racing. Children under 15 years are not allowed as a jockey. Camels must be 2 years and older to participate. Main events in Virginia City host annually the international camel races that attract families and gamblers to watch sport. Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt hosted the Sharm el-Sheikh Watch, which include over 450 camels at the competition each year. In Kenya, the International Camel Derby Festival is held annually, attracting visitors from all over the world. London Camel Racing is an annually event hosted at London, Australia. However, camel racing is not currently being considered as an Olympic. Countries participating camel riding are making effort to have camel racing in or camel riding included in Olympics. Media coverage: the Dubai Racing Channel broadcast live camel racing at UAE on Dubai TV. Al Rayyan TV in Doha, Qatar broadcasts camel racing both locally and internationally. Qatar broadcasts channel racing live on national TV. Eurovision service provide live satellite broadcasts for channel racing event in the UAE. US camel race attract mainly local sponsorship for the local community. The US currently does not have any licensed products on camel racing. Other information: children are often preferred as camel jockey due to their lightweight. However, many of these children jockey fall off camel and get seriously injured. UAE and Qatar banned children jockey under 15 years of age and have therefore they use robotic jockey in camel races. So camel racing is relatively new and unpopular in the United States. It is hosted annually in Virginia City, Nevada, attracting over 10,000 people, which generally few sponsor and limited media coverage. Camel racing began in the United States in 1958 in Nevada and has been embraced by the local community. Camel racing is slowly gaining popular and will soon get attention and diversity in the United States. So let's watch a small video about camel racing. Okay, so this is a video of the camel racing, as you guys see. So usually the owners are on their car and the other cars, so they watching them. So as you can see, this is the robotic jockey. They use it instead of children in the camel racing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the presentation, and you can see the video here, and you can go on YouTube and watch more videos about the camel racing. Thank you very much.